Alright, this is part 2 of the pre-market analysis. So let's start with the first pair on the list is GBPNZD. So on GBPNZD, you are starting from the monthly time frame, and I have my monthly upper zone here, monthly midway zone here, and my monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame, you are looking at a bullish momentum. Looking at a bullish momentum coming down all the way from here. So we are expecting it to go tap into the monthly upper zone. So as we go through the lower time frames, we'll be looking for buying opportunities on GBP and ZD. So let's go to the weekly. So here we are on the weekly time frame. I have my weekly upper zone here, my weekly lower midway zone here, and my weekly lower zone here. My weekly upper zone here, midway zone here, and the lower zone here. So from the weekly time frame also, you can see that there's it's the same buying momentum we are seeing coming in from the monthly is what we are also seeing here. We have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher sorry, an equal high, a new higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, an equal high like this, and we see an equal low. So we are expecting GBPNZD to move from here all the way to the upside like we are expecting from the monthly time frame. So let's go to the daily. So here we are on the daily time frame. I have my daily midway zone here, my daily midway zone. So from the daily time frame, what you see on the monthly is exactly what you are seeing on the daily. So let's go to the 4 hour and prepare for an entry. Okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, I have my 4 hour midway zone here, a 4 hour midway zone here. So from the 4 hour, you can see that there is a very strong resistance over here. There's a very strong resistance that anytime price taps into it, there's a reaction. Anytime price taps into it, there's a reaction like this. So then expecting so since there's a strong resistance from here, we are going to be looking for buying. We are still going to be looking for the buying opportunity. But let's see how we pick the entry on GBPNZD. So looking at the chart right now, I'm going to be expecting GBPNZD to drop all the way to the weekly zone before the move starts going to the outside if there's a possibility of breaking this resistance zone. Because of this resistance zone, I'm expecting, and moreover, when price got to here for the second or third time, yeah, when price got to here, there hasn't been any touch. Price has just been reacting at the top here. So yes, I'm expecting price to come here. We wait for an entry confirmation. When we get it, then we buy GBPNZD all the way to the upside like this. So we pick our entry from here. We target the daily upper zone. Then when the market hits our take profit, our stop loss, then we look for the next move. So that's it on GBPNZD. Let's move on to the next pair. Okay. So the next pair on the list is CAD CAD CAD. That's the next pair on the list, CAD. So on CAD, I have my monthly upper zone here, midway zone, and my monthly lower zone here. My monthly upper zone, midway zone, and my monthly lower zone. So from the monthly time frame, we are looking at a bearish momentum on CAD. We are looking at a bearish momentum on CAD. So since you are looking at a bearish momentum, as you go through the lower time frames, you are going to be looking for selling opportunities. You are going to be looking for selling opportunities. So the reason why we are looking for bearish selling opportunities is because CHF has been in a downtrend for a very long time. A very long time. It's not just today. So if you've watched my previous analysis on this particular pair CADCHF, we are always looking for selling opportunities. We are always looking for selling opportunities. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see what you can get over there. So here we are on the weekly. I have my weekly upper zone here, midway zone here, and my weekly lower zone here. So from the weekly time frame, we are also seeing a buying momentum, just like we said on the monthly. So everything is confirmed. Everything is confirmed. So let's go to the daily. Okay, nice setup. Wow. So here on the daily, I have my daily midway zone here, my daily midway zone. And if you watch closely on the daily time frame, last week candle closed an evening star. Last week candle closed an evening star. So we should be expecting the selling momentum to come in from here all the way to the downside. So yeah, we are supposed we should be expecting to take a sell on this particular pair coming this week. Starting from tomorrow to Friday, we should be in a sell on this particular pair. So let's go to the 4 hour and see how we are going to prepare for an entry on CAD CHF. So for the daily time frame, that's what you saw. So here we are on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour time frame, I have my 4 hour midway zone here. So yeah, I have my 4 hour midway zone here. So because we failed to pick an entry on CAD from this resistance, we are going to be preparing for another entry. So this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to wait for price to come down for a retest, to drop down, come back for a retest, and drop again, another retest for us to be safe. If you want to trade safe, then we pick our entry from here. Pick our entry from. But for me, I'm going to be watching out for two possible entries. My first entry will come in if price is able to come back for a retest for this zone. Then I'll pick my first entry from here. That will be my first entry on CAD CHF. My second entry will come in if price fails to come back for a retest, but rather continue dropping, and I see a retest at this zone, then my second entry will come in. So this is how I'm picking my trade on CAD CHF. On CAD CHF. So watch out for this setup this week. I'm very sure it will play out. So let's move on to the next pair on the list, and the next pair is gold. Gold. Oh, I haven't. Okay. I wanted to do gold, but we thought I'm seeing we have to do it another time. We have to do it another time. So that's it on part two of the pairs on today's pre-market analysis. If you want to also watch the part one, just check out my my account on YouTube. Yeah, on YouTube, the part one is on the YouTube channel. Part two will also be uploaded on the YouTube channel, so you can watch it from there. If you also want to join my free Telegram community where you get free signals for free and free trading knowledge, just click on the link in the description because the Telegram link will be in the description. Just click on it and join my Facebook account also where I share trading knowledge and other stuff about the forex market is also will also be in the description. And also should also like, comment and share this video you are watching and more videos on the channel. And also we are running we'll be starting a challenge of turning $10 into $500 in we will be starting tomorrow. So if you are interested in joining, my contact will be in the description, or you can get a Telegram group, and all the details you need will be in the group. So if you also want to contact me, my details will be in the description. Just pick it and contact me, and let's buy. So that's it for today's pre-market analysis, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.